Hi Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Leafeon from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw this cute grass type Pokemon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're basically going to draw like a leaf shape. I'm just going to bring down a curve, nice and low, about right here, and then just go ahead and connect. There. And then we're going to do the same thing right across. So I'm just going to drag this point about right here, nice and close. And once again, we're going to draw the same shape, just as if you're drawing a leaf. And then connect. There. Then from there, I'm going to come into this space right here and just kind of draw this oval right in here for a highlight. And then come to the sides right here, just going to draw a small little curve right next to the eye. Then let's come down in between the eyes and say about right here, just going to go ahead and draw a little nose. So kind of like this triangular shape. There. Then from there, let's come to the side. So where the eyes are, just going to pop this out a little bit and here. Pop that line out a little bit more. And then let's come to this top right here. I'm going to come out, give myself a point right next to the eye. And right underneath this nose, give myself another point really close. From there, I'm basically going to draw this curve that comes to here. So it's going to be nice and sharp and angular. So about right here, and then bring it in. And same thing here. Go around the eye, and then about right here, we're going to angle it in. There. Oh, this side looks a little bit too angular. And pop it out a little bit more. Okay, there, a little bit better. Then from there, we're going to come up right here, and we're just going to draw one curve coming in first. So same thing here. So Leafeon is full of these curves, so just keep that in mind. We're going to be drawing a bunch of these. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to have to draw this ear. So let's come on this side right here. We're going to pop them up real high. We're going to kind of continue this curve right here. And let's pop the ear to say, let's say about right here. Let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And using these 2 points right here, I'm going to go up with a really long ear. So it's as if you're drawing a leaf. We're going to, let's see here, let's pop this out. A curve. And this is going to come out. So bear with me here as we go to build this shape. So we're going to put in some notches about right here. And then let's go up and another notch. But if you're using a pencil, you can go ahead and just smooth this out and then put in the notches a little bit later. But about right here, I'm going to end it. So just kind of take a look how long you want your ears to be. And then I'm going to start to bring it in. So about right here, I'll give it another big notch. And then just go ahead and connect. So that's the shape we're trying to draw. It's like drawing a leaf, right? And then we're going to come back into this space and we're going to draw a curve following. About right here. We're going to follow your ear shape. And then we're going to bring this to the center. Curve towards the center. All the way up. Then we're going to come back into the space to create our opening. And just bring it in. There. Okay, one down, another one to go. So same exact thing here. We're going to come back about right here and say about right here, just like the other side. And once again, we're going to go ahead and draw the same thing. So let's go up, curve, and let's go up. So we're just trying to aim to be about the same height on the other side. So it's come about right here. We give it a little notch once again, and then we're going to bring it up. Give it another little notch. And I'm just going to drag this across, say about right here, and connect. And then once again, put this down, and then right here you can put in another notch and connect. There. And once again, we're going to draw the inside. So let's come right here, following your your outside, and then bring it all the way to the center. And then about right here, create your opening. There. Okay, so I think the hardest part is done, is these two ears. So now that we have that, we can come back to the center about right here. Just give yourself a point. And in this, we're going to draw this kind of flame shape right in the center. It's not going to be as high as the ear, so maybe just end it about right there. We're going to go up and curve. Then we're going to bring it around. Very fancy Pokemon. And connect. But very fun to draw, right? Lots of little details, very cute. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and finish the top of the head. So we're going to draw the center. So it's coming between, I'm just gonna give myself a point. Let's say about here and here is like where my center is. I'm going to draw the center tough. So that's my center. I'm just going to bring a curve down. And then imagine it coming through right here to create that first one. And then we're going to come up and curve in. So same thing here. So imagine it's right about here. It's going to pop out. So we won't see it. So let's just simplify this, and we're just going to bring this in. There. Okay, so we're just going to fill that in, and that is it for the head. So actually, you know what, now I'm looking at it, I think I should have popped this out a little bit further out. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home so you can make any kind of adjustments. There. Okay, I think a little bit better. Come in here, erase this really quick. And right here. Okay, so now that we're done with the head, finally, let's draw the body. So we're going to come about right here underneath the eye and here, and we're just going to kind of come out with a slight angle on both sides. There, and then we're going to come in, bring it in for the front legs. So let's bring this down. Nice long legs. Let's come back to about right here and here, nice and centered, and we're going to work on these front legs. So let's come down. We're not going to pass the center, we're just aiming towards the center, about right here and here. And let's bring this down. About right there. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the feet. So I'm going to bring this about right here and pop it out. Curve out. Angle and connect. And then you can come in here with two curves. And so same thing over here. Curve it out and connect. There. And then let's see here, the back. Let's come about right here, nice and high, and we're just going to draw this curve. And bring it in. And just tuck it away. And then in this spot right here, I'm just going to go ahead, curve and pop in the back feet. And 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. But right here, just creating this little curve. So I'll bring it in about right there. About the same thing, and then right here, pop in the foot. And 2 curves. And then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and pop in a little curve right there to finish it off. And then let's see here, then from there we need to draw in some details. So there's some tuft of fur right here in the center, so I'm going to come about right here, 1 curve and then a bigger one right back here, a little line. And then in this spot right here, there's also some spikes of fur, if you want to draw all those details. So that's, hopefully you are using a pencil at home, and then you can just erase. And then in the back right here, there's also some. There. And then now for the beautiful tail, that's kind of like a big leaf, right? So let's say about right here. We're just going to kind of draw this big leaf shape here and here. So let's go ahead and go up. And same thing like the ears, we're going to put in some notches. And let's go ahead and bring it up. I'm just going to try to simplify it, so I'll just curve this out and tuck it in. Just tuck it in the ear area so we don't have to draw too much, and then we can pop it back out about right here. And we can add in some notches again. And then just bring it back. There. And then some lines right here, same thing. Then we split it. Not too sure. I'm just going to try to follow it and put in some lines. There. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, and then let's see if we're missing any more. Oh, there's also one right here as well if you want to put in all those details. And that is pretty much it here for my drawing of Leafeon, but I'm going to put a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Leafeon from Pokemon. I know this Pokemon is a little bit complicated with all these fancy ears and tail, but hopefully I helped you draw Leafeon fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.